YouTube. As you can see, I got it put together. Now look, I'm going to make brackets to make it where it's a little more permanent. I just got it set up temporarily. So if you read that gauge, this thing's been running for not a real long time, and it's already at 150 pounds. I got jumper cables coming off my battery bank, because my shop is 12 volts. And I got it hooked up through this. It's sitting on a cooler. But look at that pressure. There's 160 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and shut this off right now. Like I say, it's not fully finished built, but it's working. And it's working good. This thing has not run real long, so I'm going to say it's probably run for about 2.5 to 4 minutes. So this thing is really working good. There's the compressor. Hefty gnarly junk in the background. We've had a lot of rain today, so I've had a lot of rainwater wash. So I'm going to take this pump off, and I'm actually going to build the top for it so I can bolt it down. But I want to do a quick little video to show you that this actually does work. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.